What's up, YouTube? How we keeping today? It's all good, yeah. Welcome to another video on investing, yeah. So last week I did a video and should give you a quick review about my investment on Facebook. I talked about my gains, which was like 30+% gains. It could have been more, but we had a lawsuit and we also had a whistleblower come out, so it did affect the gains we had with Facebook. But that's last week. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up somewhere. Yeah, just click on that and watch that video. Yeah, so you see the gains on Facebook and what I talked about Facebook. Now in this particular video, I'll be talking about Microsoft. I said it last week that I was going to talk about Microsoft, so I'll show you my gains on Microsoft and how many percent we've made on the investment so far in 12 months. So that's it. This video is just about Microsoft. However, before I talk about Microsoft, I will encourage you, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified, and please like this video, like and share the video. Yeah, that's it. It does help the YouTube algorithm. So I'll just go straight to the portfolio real quick and let's see what gains we've made so far. So like I said, last week I talked about Facebook, which has now changed to Meta anyway. So I think last week when I showed Meta last week, that was Tuesday, let's say a week ago. Yeah, let's go back to 1 week ago. 1 week ago, we were down 328 thereabout. If you look at the video I was talking about, we're about 328 thereabout. Last week, that was on the second Tuesday. Yep, 328 on Tuesday. However, as at yesterday, Facebook did 344 but closed at 338. So 10 plus up. Like I said, Facebook is still going to do more, but we're not talking about Facebook in this video. We'll just go straight and look at Microsoft. Boom. So what do we have here? So Microsoft is 336.89. This is what they closed as at yesterday. The market is not open yet today. I live in Ireland and the market starts at about 2:30. So right now it's still the morning time. So I'll just use yesterday's figure to show this. So yesterday we closed in, so at one point we are on 337.65, but the market closed 336.89. So that is it. Let's see where we were a year ago. I got Microsoft at about 200 last year. So that's when I got in on Microsoft. So I think when I joined Microsoft, I only bought 5. That's my transaction. I only bought 5 at the start. 200, I invested 1,000, and then since then I've actually increased my position. I moved from 5 to about 13, and if you look at my break-even point, because of I'm doing my dollar cost averaging and everything, yeah, it works out to be 224.82. so that is over time. However, I'm not using this 224 as my break-even price right now. I'm not saying 224. I'm going to stick with the 200 because I'm talking about 12 calendar months. When I saw Microsoft, that's all we're doing right now. So when I saw Microsoft was about 200, that's what we invested at the first instance, and now it is $336.89. That's a whole lot of money. I'll just bring my calculator out real quick and see what that works out to be. Yeah, so let's see. So we made so we joined at 200. So no, let's say 336.89 minus, so mathematicians there will tell you. So this is 136.89. so that's the profit for every investment made last year. That's the profit there, 136.89. That is, now let's look at the percentage wise and see what happens here. So let's say 136 divided by 200, we're looking at 0.68 multiplied by 100. Boom. So yeah, we're looking at 68.44% increase on your money. Like if you see what there is. So for every dollar you put in, you've made like 68% you get. So that is the benefit of investing, like I'm saying. So Microsoft did real good, and to be honest with yourself, Microsoft has done really good in the 12 calendar months since we invested in Microsoft, since I started my journey. Like if you see, Microsoft actually surpassed Apple to become the most valuable organization in the world. Like Microsoft is doing a whole lot. If you look at things going on in the organization, like Microsoft, at one point they've actually updated, increase in their software, which is the Microsoft Words and the rest. So they increased the subscription price. You can see it here. Bango and Microsoft expand access to Microsoft 365. No, sorry, that's not the news there. I'm looking for the news here. 1 second, this happened a long time ago, but they did increase the price for the software, the Microsoft Office and the whole lot, which actually did give their share and value. Look, move over Apple. Microsoft now the world's most valuable company. You see, this is within 12 months because of the business they're doing. They've been doing good business. The software is doing good. They have the cloud business. They have the video game, which is the Xbox. You have LinkedIn doing good. There's so many things with this business doing good, and that's why you need to invest in this organization. If you've not invested anyway, you need to invest in this organization. There's still time, and we'll just see what's going to. So we say, Apple lost its crown as the world's most valuable public company to Microsoft on Friday as iPhone maker shares continued their downslide. Apple took a $6 billion hit to its sales during the fiscal fourth quarter, and Microsoft has been doing good. So that's a good news anyway. So we need to. So if you haven't invested in Microsoft, another good thing with Microsoft is that they do pay dividend, if you know. So that's another thing. So aside my money growing here, I've actually received 3 different dividend, although it's not massive money here because of the position I hold here, but it feels good to just wake up and see that a company like Microsoft is paying you money. Here we go. I mean, so this is a dividend stock, a dividend play for myself, and it's a stock I'm going to hold for a very long time. So my position will continue to increase here because I see Microsoft still staying in the game for years to come. Like I see organizations still using Microsoft in the next 20 years. So this organization is not going to go down anytime soon. Like they've been innovating, they are big in tech, so they're leading the way. So I don't see why I should pool my money. So this is like part of the retirement plan, if you get what I mean, to benefit from Microsoft. So we'll increase our stake here and see what's going on. So all I'm saying is, with the kind of profit done in 12 calendar months, we're talking about 68% of your investment. You can never go wrong. This is an organization that has been in existence way come on, man. It's a giant, and seeing the price at this point, 336, it can only go up. It won't go. Yeah, I know it's going to pull back. It's normal when it comes to the stock market. Certain factors play that will affect it to come back here. So I definitely see Microsoft pulling back a bit, and that's when I'll capitalize and invest more. So that's the way I see it. But it's going to pull back, and it's going to gain more strides. Like I say, easily next year, Microsoft should hit 500 easily next year, being the most valuable organization right now in the world, as a publicly traded organization in the world. I see Microsoft doing 500. If in 1 year they've done 68%, then I see no reason why they can't do more in the next year. So I'll see easy 500, 550 next year, and in the next 5 years I'm seeing Microsoft to hit 1,000 per share, like in the next 5 years. Now, I'm not doing this based on any serious projection from anything. Like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just using my common sense to say what's this. So it's not that I've done any intrinsic evaluation and checked out the organization, but with what Microsoft is doing, easily they've been doing good business all around. Like breaking strides and making sure that shareholders like myself are making money. So that's it, with easy peasy. So I encourage you, if you're looking to invest in stock, Microsoft should be one part of your option play. Like, you should get Microsoft among your portfolio, if you get what I mean. So that's it. So that's it with this video. I encourage you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and smash that like button. Just share the video and let other people join in. We do 2 videos every week. Every Tuesday we talk about investment. So I talk about stock, I talk about crypto and the likes, and business investment. However, on Thursday we also do videos about business. So if you're thinking of setting up a business, check me out on Thursday. I drop every video, so subscribe to the channel.